Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error and its solution. It is related to React Native and Node.js related projects. I will read the error message. ENOSPC system limit for number of file watches reached. I will read the error message once again. ENOSPC system limit for number of file watches reached. That means the system where we are running our React Native or Node.js based projects reached maximum its limits to watch for the files for any changes on that files. System limit for number of file watches reached. That means the system reached maximum limit of files watching for any changes. These errors can happen on the projects where we used Webpack, Metro or any file watching services. If we are using any file watching services like Webpack, Metro or any file watching services, we will get this error. That means the basic reason of the error is the system where we run our project reached maximum limit, its maximum limit, the system's maximum limit to watch the files, to watch the number of files for any changes. So how can we solve this issue? In the Linux system, first you run this command on the command line. Then it will show the current number of maximum user watches. Maximum user watches. It will show the current maximum user watches. Then by executing these two lines, you are setting maximum user watches into this number. We are resetting the maximum user watches to the higher number by executing these commands. Then by executing these commands, you are permanently set this number. Permanently set this max user watches to this number permanently. So by executing these commands, one for checking the current max user watches, other one is setting the required max user watches, the third one is to make these changes permanent. When we execute these commands, then our system will store these changes as a permanent changes. If you are using MacOS, you can handle it using watchman. So first install watchman by executing brew, install watchman. And even though after installing watchman, you still get this error, run this command watchman watch del all to delete all the current watches. Watchman watch del all. I hope by executing these commands, if you are using Linux, go for these commands. If you are using macOS, go for below commands. By executing these commands, your problem will be solved. Thank you.